Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while delivering a sermon, said, "On the day of judgment, you will be resurrected barefooted in the nude and uncircumcised before your Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has said, as we made it first, we shall restore it. This is a promise on us. We shall necessarily do it." And then the first one to be closed on the day of resurrection will be Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. "Be aware, some men of my ummah will be brought, and the angels will drive them to hell. Whereupon I will say, O Lord, these are my companions. So it will be said, you do not know what they did after you. Then I will say what the pious bondsman of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, said, and I knew of them as long as I remained in them. Then when you took me up, then you were the watcher over them, and everything is present before you. Then it will be said, no sooner did you leave them than they became reneged, turning on their heels." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4740.